So here we are trying out to bring in MRTK stuff into the realm of AR. So this is a MRTK hand interaction example, which is right now running pretty good in the AR thingy. Okay, so let's check it out. So this is a manipulation handler. In this we can manipulate objects, scale object, rotate object. This is another type of manipulation handler. And we have some 3D buttons right here, and we have a piano as well. Nice. And here we got some sliders with which we can play and which will affect the color of this cube and stuff. Nice. Here we have some rigid body acting. Yeah, exactly. Let's throw this. It will come back again. And here is the tooltip example. So as in when you interact with this stuff, the tooltip will appear. This is a spaceship gone down. Yeah. So this is MRTK working in AR.